It's a brand new day. So throw me your regrets. Give me a second with them. Dissolve them into threads. Toss them out, they're never coming back again. Give me nothing less. I wanna see everything dissolve into the ether. Let me save your life again. So tell me what you